In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project plan in Microsoft Project. Let's begin by opening Microsoft Project. If you already have it running, head to the File menu and choose New to start fresh. From there, select Blank Project. This gives you a clean slate with an empty schedule, so you can focus on the tasks that matter. You'll see the familiar layout, a table on the left for details like task name and duration, and the Gantt chart on the right where your timeline bars will appear. Before you go any further, save the file. Go to File and click Save. Choose a location you can easily find later. Give the file a clear, descriptive name, and confirm the save. Saving early does two things. It locks in the file name so autosave and recovery features have a place to write to, and it protects your initial work in case of a crash. From now on, quick saves will be just a click away. Next, set the overall timing of your project. On the Project tab, click Project Information. Here, set the start date if you plan to schedule forward from when work begins. That's the most common approach and helps tasks line up in a realistic sequence. If you're working backward from a hard deadline, choose a finish date instead to schedule from the end. Pick a date that reflects reality, not a hope. The plan will be much easier to manage if the foundation is accurate. Now it's time to add tasks. In the Gantt chart view, click into the task name column and type the first task. Keep names short and action-oriented, like Draft Requirements or Order Materials. Press Enter to move to the next row and continue building your list. As you go, move to the Duration column and enter how long each task should take. You can type values like 3D for 3 days or 2W for 2 weeks. As soon as you add a duration, Microsoft Project draws a bar on the timeline to the right, giving you immediate visual feedback on how your schedule is shaping up. Work through your tasks and durations at a steady pace. Don't worry about perfecting every detail right now. You can always refine names and adjust durations as you learn more. The key is to get a solid initial structure in place. When you're done entering the first pass of tasks, save again to capture your progress. And that's it. You opened a blank plan, saved it, set your project's start or finish date, and added tasks with durations so your Gantt chart comes to life.